Hello, this is a continuation of the vinegar making project plan. Nung gumawa ako, ang ginamit kong mashed banana 180 grams, water 180 grams also, and the total is 360 grams. When I transferred the mixture into the sola bottle, mga 3/4 na siya. So, konti na lang yung space for expansion. So, my suggestion is for you to use 150 grams lang ng mashed banana and 150 grams of water to give a total of 300 grams of mixture para medyo malaki yung space dito. But if you are planning to use pineapple peels instead of banana. Ah, ang sinasuggest ko na container, yung fermentation container, hindi na yung sola bottle kasi maliit ang opening. So it has to be, kung peel ang gagamitin, malalaki ang piraso. Your container should be a wide mouth jar instead of a bottle. Okay, so take note also that yung yeast fermentation process is gas producer. So magpuproduce siya ng gas, magpuproduce na ng bubble. It is important that you do not seal the opening very tightly kasi sasabog yan. So kailangan yung cover ninyo is something like eto, yung tissue paper para lang hindi malangawan, hindi mapuntahan ng ibang insekto. Do not close it very tightly para hindi siya sasabog. Okay, so again, this is a gas producing process. Maraming gas ang mapuproduce. Pag saradong-sarado, sasabog yung inyong container. Okay, so take note of that. Dapat makakalabas yung gas. Hindi siya gas tight ang inyong closure. Okay?